Hello everyone, welcome back to EuroHub. In this video, we will be seeing one of the important resources or few of the important resources that can be utilized for preparing GATE Aerospace 2022. And you are aware that most of you are aware about NPTEL, that is National Program for Technical Enhanced Learning. This is a platform, this is an online platform from the Government of India, and the courses from this particular that is available in this platform is from premier IITs, IIScs, as well as some of the premier institute of India. Okay, so for preparation of GATE, we have and you are also aware that there is a separate domain called aerospace engineering. Okay, so if you go to the aerospace engineering, you can see videos on introduction to aerospace engineering, aircraft structures 1, aircraft performance, aircraft stability and control, rocket propulsion, vibration and structural dynamics, aerodynamics, gas dynamics, jet propulsion, space flight dynamics. Okay, so these are the videos that can be utilized for GATE preparation point of view. There are a number of other lectures that is available in NPTEL Aerospace. Okay, but these are the lectures that can be utilized for GATE preparation. And one more important thing is the videos on jet propulsion as well as rocket propulsion is also available in mechanical engineering, NPTEL also. And there are number of videos on number of courses on vibration as well as mechanics of material and fluid mechanics, etc. in the case of NPTEL mechanical videos. Okay, these also can be utilized for the preparation for NPTEL for the GATE examination. And one more thing, in NPTEL there is a separate section called GATE coaching. Okay, so in that section you can see number of question papers. Previous year question papers, and in the previous year question paper, for each and every question there will be a NPTEL video link. Okay, so for example, they are highlighting one question and they will be providing some multiple choices, and in that question they will be providing the link of the NPTEL video. Through that you will be getting an idea about solving that question. Okay, so like that you can utilize NPTEL for preparation of GATE examination. So most of the students should be aware about the importance of NPTEL. Nowadays there are opportunities for students to write to get certificate from NPTEL also. That also can be utilized to enhance your knowledge. Okay, so this is about NPTEL. That is one of the important resources that can be used for preparation of GATE. Now we will see. So one of the important thing, that is YouTube channels. There are number of YouTube channels that can be used for your preparation point of view. Okay, so these are the selected channel. First one is Wings of Aero. This is the most subscribed channel I think in YouTube regarding aero videos, especially from India. Okay, so you can find number of playlists regarding GATE examination, GATE coaching and other subject from this channel, Wings of Aero. Second channel is See and Grow. In this particular channel, what I have felt is like you can see number of videos, like number of playlists based upon previous year question papers. Okay, so one of the important aspect of GATE coaching or GATE training is like you have to solve multiple question papers. Okay, so you can get the solution of this question previous year question papers from 2006 onwards to 2017 or 18. Okay, and the particular person who is uploaded the video have done a great job in updating his playlist throughout the course. Okay, so you can find number of playlists like GATE Aerospace question paper 2021 is also available. Okay, so you can go through this channel. Okay, so this and AeroHub, this is my channel. You can also use the videos which is uploaded in my channel. And in my channel there is the aircraft structures too, that is thin-walled section as well as buckling. This is one of the only channel which is providing the details about shear center, how to estimate shear center for thin-walled section. All its data will be available in this my channel AeroHub. And next channel is Concept Library, and this is also one of the good YouTube channel which provides good aerospace content, especially for GATE and most of this channel which I mentioned here is from IITians or MITians. Okay, then one of the other channel is Aero Codes Gate Aerospace Platform. Okay, this channel also having good content regarding gate aerospace material. Then aerospace engineering tutorials. These are very old channel, and I think you will be getting videos up to 2016 gate. Okay, these channels are not updated. The first 4 channel is updated channels, and Goodwill Gate to IIT. This is also one of the important channel that also is providing good content regarding gate. Okay, so and the last channel is Concept Unexplained. So these are the 8 channels that can be utilized for preparation of gate. Okay, and especially the first 4 channel is really good. Then I'll be providing the links of this channel in the description box. You can check out this channel, and you can also watch the videos and get most out of it. Okay, and these all channels are from IITians, so you will be having some idea how to clear the gate also, and you can see a lot of interviews from different students who are now pursuing their masters in different IITs. Okay, so you can get the experience of from them also. Okay, so these are about YouTube channel. This is absolutely free, and what I mentioned about NPTEL is also absolutely free. There is no cost. You are just paying for your internet. That's it. Okay. Then Amazon, you can one of the important thing I want to tell you is like there are resources like Amazon, in Amazon, like especially in Kindle edition, in Kindle resources that can be utilized for preparation of gate. Okay, so I have felt these 2 books, like the Gate Aerospace Gate 2021. This is a particular Kindle book which contains the solved question papers from 2007 to 2020. Okay, so you will be getting a clear idea about how you are solving the problem, and how which concept you are using to solve the problem. And this book is written by alumni of IITians, this group of IITians. Okay, group of IITians, like 3 IITians. I don't remember exactly their name. Okay, and one of the other book is like if you want like a quick revision of the formulas or the concept, you can use other book. One of the book I felt which is really good is called Aerospace Engineering Gate Exam. Okay, so this is written by an IITian. He is not disclosing his name also. Really good book. Okay, it is like maybe like 300 400 maybe, I don't know exactly the number of pages. It's really a short book. Okay, so that can be used. So you can see here the short subject review notes with the simplified concept, and you can also see the solving tip. For example, if I consider the performance like international standard atmosphere, he will be explaining about that topic, important formula, and below that he will be putting the gate questions like gate 2008. This question number is from this topic. Like that also he mentioned in this particular book. Okay, so these 2 resources are really important, really good, and this is not free. Okay, you have to pay some amount like maximum 400, below 500. These 2 books are below 500. Okay, so try to utilize these resources, Amazon Kindle resources. I strongly recommend to use this particular book, Aerospace Engineering Gate Exam. Okay, so this is about the resources which you can use to prepare for gate yourself. Okay, so thank you for listening. Take care.